Today, I'm going to show you how to make this puffy keychain bow. First, cut your fabric pieces. We're going to start by making the middle bow piece using the 2.5 by 6 inch strip. Find the center of the strip and mark it lightly. With the wrong side facing up, fold one long edge in toward the center and press. Then fold the other long edge in to meet it and press again. Next, fold the entire strip in half lengthwise so all of the raw edges are tucked neatly inside. Give it one more good press so everything stays crisp and even. Clip or pin it in place. Now sew a top stitch along both long sides. This gives it a nice clean finish and helps hold everything securely in place. Now we're going to sew the top part of the bow. Take your two 6 by 4 inch pieces and place them right sides together. Sew all the way around the edges, leaving about a 2 inch opening at the bottom. That opening will allow us to turn it right side out and add our stuffing later. Next, we're sewing the bottom part of the bow. Take your 9.5 by 5 inch piece and fold it in half lengthwise. To create the bow tail shape, cut angled edges on each end. You can make the angles subtle or more dramatic depending on the look you prefer. Sew along both angled sides and across the top, leaving about a 2 inch opening in the middle so we can turn and fill it. Before turning, trim all the corners to reduce bulk. Just be careful not to snip your stitches. Then turn both pieces right side out. Use a blunt tool like a small flathead screwdriver or turning tool to gently push out the corners so they look nice and crisp. Now it's time to add the fluff. Fill both pieces, the rectangular top portion and the angled bottom portion, with Polyfil. You want them nicely stuffed so they look full and puffy, but not so tight that the seams are strained. Once you're happy with the fullness, close the openings by stitching about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. You can sew this closed on your machine or hand stitch it for a slightly cleaner finish. Now comes the fun part. Layer the top and bottom pieces together and gently squish them in the center to create your bow shape. Wrap a small elastic or rubber band around the middle to hold everything in place. Take a moment to adjust and fluff the sides until they're even and shaped the way you like. Take the middle piece we made at the beginning and wrap it around the center of your bow. Before securing it, slide your key ring onto the strip. Once it's in place, bring the ends of the middle piece together at the back and hand stitch them closed to secure everything. After stitching, flip the middle piece so the seam is hidden underneath at the back of the bow. And that's it. Your puffy keychain bow is finished. It's soft, adorable, and completely customizable with different fabrics and colors.